Hello dear students, this week you are going to learn how to do mandala art. For that material is listed. First we are going to take a rounder and with the help of that we are going to draw almost 15 centimeter circle. You can take whatever measurement you want. Now with the help of protractor, I'm going to mark points at each 10 degree. So like 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, like that at each 10 degree I'm going to mark point. Your pencil has to be really very sharp and it has to be accurately done. The same thing we will do at the opposite side. Again mark points at each 10 degree. Now with the help of scale, we are going to draw lines passing through the center point and the points which we have marked at each degree. You have to be very careful while marking these lines and your pencil has to be very sharp. That's the reason I'm using your pen pencil. All the points should pass through the center point. The top point, center point and the bottom point should be in one line. Like this, be very careful and if possible try to do this with pen pencil so that your line is very accurate. So like this we will finish drawing all the lines passing through each degree. Now again with the help of rounder, I am going to draw random circles. So these circles I am not taking with any specific measurement. I'm just going on drawing circles, small then big. I'm purposely doing these lines very lightly because later we are going to erase them and these lines are not to be seen. Whatever lines we have done till now, it should not be visible at the end. So do it very lightly, don't press your pencil and don't do the lines dark. Once this is done, with the help of micro tip pen, I am doing the design. So like this you can go on drawing your own design. You can have U pattern, V pattern, X pattern, and various designs you can do with the help of these lines. The design looks very accurate and it looks good.